Hello everyone, welcome to incubmind. In this video, I will walk you through the capabilities we offer to support product-based businesses, including new product development companies and startups. Our focus is on the design and development of the electronic products used across various fields or domains. We are based in Bangalore, India. incubmind is a leading consultancy firm specialized in industrial design, engineering design, and a comprehensive design reviews for mechanical engineering across the diverse industries. With nearly 2 decades of experience, we provide design solutions, expert analysis, and a feedback to ensure your products meet the highest standards of quality, feasibility, and manufacturability. The reason incubmind exists is to address the global demand for the advanced product development driven by the technological advancements. We aim to provide reduced development time by carefully designing the products and thoroughly scrutinizing the design to identify the errors, minimize prototype costs, and mitigate challenges that may arise post launch. In our electronics design portfolio, we specialize in the design of the medical devices as well as general electronics and gadgets. For the products showcased in this slide, we handle the complete product design, including various critical aspects. This includes the integration of touch screens, keypads, and consideration of the aesthetic appearance and ergonomics. We ensure the product meets the market requirement, carefully arranging the internal mounting of the PCBs and paying attention to labeling and the color selection. Additionally, we focus on the strength of the product, the placement of interface connectors, data acquisition ports, power supply arrangement, and integration of the standard off the shelf components. Similarly, for the products that include recorders, we focus on the precise placement of components and their mounting arrangements. Some products require the implementation of OK features to prevent the user errors, and careful organization of the accessories is essential to ensure that the product's performance is not compromised. Similarly, some products require a precise movement mechanisms and effective heat dissipation arrangement, all while maintaining an aesthetically appealing look, feel, and the ease of use. In incubmind, we make sure that all these aspects are considered in the design. We take special care in the designing of the products that are ergonomically pleasing, delighting the customer with their ease of use and aesthetic appeal. Additionally, we focus on making these products compact and portable, ensuring they are convenient to carry on the go. Our design process also emphasizes seamless integration with the electronics, ensuring smooth interaction and the optimal functionality. We align closely with your organization gate process for new product development and actively engage with you from the very beginning of the product development phase. We collaborate with you to ensure that the design aligns with the market and the customer requirement. Our team creates the concepts tailored to customer needs and proposes designs options for the cross-functional teams of your organization to assess, ensuring that the concept design meets the intended customer expectations. Once you sign off on the industrial design, we engage in the engineering design phase, where we meticulously detail the features to transform the concept into usable product. Our team excels in reviewing the designs for the fit, form, function, and manufacturability. During this design review phase, we ensure that the design virtually meets all the product requirements. Additionally, we collaborate with the regulatory and compliance team of your consulting firm or the team in your organization to ensure that the product design adheres to all necessary regulatory standards. After the prototype is built, we work with you on the production release of the parts, whether they are injection molded, fabricated, compression molded, or otherwise. We also support the pilot production phase, capturing any remaining feedback to ensure smooth transition into the full scale production. In the industrial design phase, we ensure that the line diagram or the 2D architecture is signed off by you and work closely with you to fully understand your needs. Once we are aligned on the 2D architecture, we may review the predicate devices to understand the market trends and create 3D concepts accordingly. Ensuring that the product architecture is well understood, we then move to the industrial design review phase with the cross-functional team to ensure all the functional requirements are considered, visualized, and agreed upon. Based on this, we create renders to provide a virtual, realistic look and feel of the product. In the engineering design phase, we ensure that the product can be successfully realized by following a thorough and systematic processes. This includes adhering to the design standards, carefully selecting appropriate materials, and choosing the right fasteners. We also focus on determining precise tolerances and clearances, ensuring that components interact seamlessly with one another. Additionally, we take into account a compliance requirements and regulatory needs to guarantee that the product meets all the necessary standards. The product must possesses the necessary strength to fulfill its intended purpose. We ensure that the design is developed with all critical strength aspects in mind. Comprehensive strength analysis is conducted to verify that the design has the required load bearing capacity to perform its intended function effectively. In the design for assembly review phase, we ensure that the product design is feasible for its intended purpose. Since design is still in the virtual environment and only visualized on the computer, we break down assembly process into simple, manageable steps. By reviewing each steps systematically, we verify that the designed product can be successfully assembled in the real world condition. Design for manufacturing phase is a phase where we excel. For any design, it is crucial to ensure that the product can be efficiently manufactured using widely available processes, facilitating a smooth and cost-effective transition to the market. We conduct a thorough analysis of the manufacturing feasibility, whether it involves machining, molding, or fabrication. We carefully consider necessary manufacturing constraints to ensure that the design does not require any special processes unless absolutely necessary. Additionally, we strive to minimize tooling complexity, keeping the production process as straightforward and cost effective as possible. We work closely with you to understand the product's application, ensuring that safety standards are enforced throughout the design. For electronic products, we make sure that EMI, EMC requirements are addressed, hazardous materials are avoided, and the product meets environmental safety standards. Additionally, we ensure that the product complies with the ingress production requirement and other specific application needs. The selection of the right fastener is crucial for the successful integration of the product, including grounding and securing the subsystems together. In the design phase, we ensure that the most suitable fasteners are chosen to optimize the product's functionality and structural integrity. This careful selection process helps guarantee that all the components are securely held in place, allowing the product to perform its intended function effectively. For every design we create, we ensure that materials are not only specified but also meticulously defined with the detailed specifications that align with the product requirement. We carefully consider material compatibility, recognizing that the application demands more than just a strength. The factors such as biocompatibility, fire retardancy, aesthetic appeal, cost effectiveness, and other critical properties are thoroughly evaluated to ensure the material meets all the necessary criteria for the intended application. We conduct a thorough internal design review before presenting the design to you to ensure that the investment in the prototype development is optimized. This careful review process helps minimizing the need to rework on the tools after the production release, ensuring a more efficient and a cost-effective transition from the prototype to the final production. For electromechanical products, it is crucial to verify and manage the wire routing and cable management to ensure use of accessibility and serviceability. We optimize the cable routing arrangement based on the mockups or the prototype builds and incorporate these considerations into the final design. This approach ensures that the final product is both efficient and user friendly, facilitating easier maintenance and service. For optimal product operation, ease of use, and the effective product identification, it is essential to consider the inclusion of artwork, labels, and batches, deck sheets, and serial number labels. We ensure that our design provisions accommodate these elements, integrating them seamlessly into the product to enhance both functionality and user experience. Certain products require surface finishing after the manufacturing to enhance their aesthetic appearance, ensure safe handling, and meet regulatory requirements. We collaborate with you to address these needs and ensure that all the requirements are integrated into the engineering design phase. This ensures that the final product not only looks appealing but also complies with the safety and regulatory standards. We designed the product for the wide range of domains and applications, including the automotive, home appliance, medical device, medical implants, beverage dispensing, and the retail fixtures. Our expertise spans these key areas, and we have successfully applied our design skills to deliver effective and innovative solutions in these sectors. We have partnered and worked closely with these customers over the past 2 decades. Please contact us for any of your design, engineering problem solving needs, and the expert design reviews. We are eager to be part of your product development program and collaborate with you to achieve your goals. Below are the contact details that you can reach us either by phone call or WhatsApp, or you can email us to the email ID mentioned below. Thank you. Have a nice day.